Hey everybody, how are you doing? I hope you've been doing well. It's been a minute since I've been on. I've just been busy being a grandma, running my business, doing chemo, all the things. But I wanted to jump in here and remind you guys that I have a webinar. I'm co-hosting a webinar coming up this Tuesday evening. It's going to be at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, this is the easiest and the least expensive membership business that you're going to get started in this year. Here you can join this financial digital membership and learn how to do things like fix your credit, how to bring more money home from your paycheck, how to invest the money that you have and get to keep it, how to do a lot of things that are going to be beneficial for you financially, save money and make money, because when you share this with other people, you can earn affiliate commissions. That's how you make some extra money for yourself. So this is a side hustle, easy to start, and it's not very expensive. You can get started for less than $100 and enjoy all of the savings and all of the programs that are going to help you with your finances, and you can start sharing it with others. Now, I'm not going to say good luck, go have fun sharing, figuring out how to share that. I have an entire system that I'm going to share with you, full of tools that I'm going to give to you for free once you get started with me, that will show you how to get the app that we have that's going to help you run your business. Yes, there's an app. It's free. Once you get started, I'll show you how to get all set up with that. How to make videos and how to go live and how to promote your business through social media. There are steps for all of those things. They're video-based little tutorials. We have a whole site that is dedicated to helping you learn how to run your business step by step. If you have a question, we have a Facebook group too where you can get those questions answered. You get all of this, all of the tools, all of the things once you get started with me. So I'm going to help you with this business. I'm making it as easy as I can for you guys. And I might even have a little savings code for you guys, a few of you. So the first of you to message me about that are going to be the ones that get that code. So anyway, join me on Tuesday evening, 8 p.m. Love to see you there. We're going to go over all of the particulars of getting started in this business, answer questions, take care of all of that. So if you'd like to join me, it's a webinar, it's a live webinar, and I'm hosting that with a couple of other people. So just send me a DM down below. I'll also leave my my number for texting. Sorry, chemo brain. I'll leave my number for texting down below, and I look forward to talking to you guys and seeing you soon.